In today's world, building a strong and vibrant Muslim community is crucial for the growth and development of the ummah. It requires individuals who are deeply rooted in the teachings of the Quran and possess the knowledge and skills to contribute positively to society. Online Quran education plays a vital role in strengthening Muslim identity and fostering a sense of community. By immersing themselves in the teachings of the Quran, individuals gain a deeper understanding of their faith, fostering a strong sense of Muslim identity and promoting unity within the community. Quran education instills leadership qualities and encourages active community participation, providing individuals with the knowledge and skills to become leaders who can guide and inspire their communities. Quran online education plays a key role in empowering the next generation of Muslims, enabling them to become confident, responsible individuals who make a positive contribution to their families, communities, and the world at large. Enroll now at MJ Online Quran Academy and empower yourself with Quranic education. Visit our website www.mjonlingquranacademy.com to explore our best online Quran courses and embark on a transformative journey of knowledge and spirituality.